Disky Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. It's the MTN8 Weekend. Golden Arrows, Mamelodi Sundowns, Solas Football Club traveling to Cape Town City. WorldSportsBetting.co.za if you want to put your money on these matches. Let's start with Golden Arrows, Mamelodi Sundowns. It was complicated last season between the two teams. It was 0-0 and 1-1 in the league. New coach now, Litlono Losiema at Golden Arrows. Mamelodi Sundowns, Nabo, it looks like they're trying to structure a new team. What do you make of that game, and who do you think are the favorites in that game?
Yes, sir. Justice. Keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. We try to fix South African football. If I I'm sorry about my voice, man, flu, man.
Sure.
Yeah, if I these two teams play similar football, type of football. But Usiema is a new person as a coach. Same philosophy, similar no passing ebola 10 city high. Movement obviously in starting point is issued tactically in terms of movement. Do a couple of changes, but the team has done well. It got to number 4, if I'm not mistaken, last season.
Yeah.
So I am saying that though may continuous to him, a pressure on him. Going to a similar type of football sometimes, but lala 3-4-3 nabo or 4-3-3. But take on a impact similar. Marabona de amatima is teaming a sabukala. Each and every game by Lala, you can tell him midfield a passing. A bit obviously, when a question mark job about losing them, Fanon Saku Makubel, Oban Makubel, Orlando Pirates, a ball player, a creativity as well. Obvious, but I'm sure there were players that we were finally opportunity. Monile, there were more exciting players who called the Rose. But I'm fan of yes, we more feature me. So losing him, I'm not too sure how they're gonna maybe play Magmele something be kind of way. So going to Mamelodi Sundowns, problem my coach. I respect you, Mangabamiti. I respect you, Rulani. I respect to Steve, but my decision we need to be straightforward. My decision wrong. Starting 11 Sabo, a question mark. I don't understand why they have to Bapenchum Kulisi, Bapenchu and Charlie. I had Neruma, I'm not mistaken. With Msambon, I might go. Okay, I understand. And Kulmanga, but I don't understand. So shooting over, we're running out of its scouting. So shoot, I don't understand why Bapenchum Kulisi, Uchali, Bapenchanalum Chitalu. In a cement, I don't know, is he back in South Africa or what?
Working to get him back.
Yeah, okay, Sharp Nascimento Nyambona, where's Lumfana do Wangatlan, Umrena, and also Kemite Rasmes. I don't understand why he's not playing. No Mabukona Melecale and Serena as well. So he koga pizza sort of. And I understand in Kuleguti. We need Ifar. No mangabi itimi ipildoban. If Medicubega is like the situation here Kusiema. Kubega, you add 1 or 2. We understand, but Kubengalo team is doing well. There was nothing, there was no lose. So Kubengalo team the most. So my coach you answer good to tell good the team about equal balance. But I check Chiefs, I've done Chiefs. First game up, but 2 goals. They had to come back. But we now came on a penalty. We came by leader, no game management because of a balanced team. Going to the game, but we know 1-0. I was not convinced they penalty as well. Going to the throw. They deserve it through. Going to this game is going to be a problem. Arrows they similar like so. Going if I with yes pound to pound is over Michi Arrows, but in the shy Arrows experience. Sundowns playing this Champions League. I'm a Champions DSTV Premier. Yes.
All right. Mamelodi Sundowns have never won the version of the MTN8. Over 2 legs, you would think that they are stronger than Arrows. Obviously, first leg and then second leg, you wouldn't think that Arrows could beat Sundowns, but we'll find out. Your quick prediction on that game?
Yeah, Sundowns experience is a win a game, but because of game more open. And Sundowns mustn't bang in my favor. Can they put the team there? Abu Seri in the back. Sure. Yeah, Nabu Kulisi, Charlie, and them. Bonalumfana who came into Rasmus. Yes.
Right. Sundowns won the last version of the SAA Super 8 in 2007. They've never won the MTN8. Just in case we got wrong there. All right, that's worldsportsbetting.co.za, WSB.co.za. Put your money on that game. Eric Tinkler taking on Brendan Truter. Interestingly enough, I've seen both matches. I've seen 2 matches out of 3 is the Swallows. They're introducing new players up front, Ondlovu, Omatlo, Dylan, Solomons as well. And then, of course, they're striking with Junior Khanye. Some games they've won, some games they've drawn so far. Swallows Football Club. And then in Cape Town City, Bashaya Royal Eagles, or Royal AM, sorry, on Wednesday, 1-0. And then they played 0-0 against the SuperSport United. So, Eric Tinkler. When you look at those 2 teams, who do you think is the favorite? Or we want to like him?
Yeah, Trichen, same thing that last year. Balance same. These boys, there's and stuff, good players, but experience. You needed experienced players going forward. Yes, the young stars, Keletso is the most exciting youngster in South Africa in terms of striking force. But I believe with Sundowns whereby Pamgwa Quebec Nabantaba experience. Labafana ngebadlale bot up front. Khamaldin, coach, he need gimme. Meladlale out and out striker. You can't rely on Khamaldin. Labafana Bokeletso as an issue. Good players by young, but you can't rely on them. He's supposed to bring experienced players. Same lento le game le bang ikoranga le na le ba winile. I was not convinced ngebukeli le game yabo now. Layers 2, ibalance ayikho. Coming in at the back they are good. Angibona kungasi transmission after losing Ngobo. Lo mfana lo I think is Botswana, I'm not to mistake. Lo dlala center back no Hlabika. No that
Indona Kamal side. Side.
There's another one from Botswana, but dlala le Tune to right, but it did well. Ngibonile game yayo eqala. And if I would take the back not the transmission, but in the middle as well, Umusang Mbonile and Cheese, you understand. Up front, the front 3, ngoba udlala 4-3. Up front is where la aleka khona. You can't rely on Khamaldin whereby if Khamaldin ngoba is more of umuntu target man. If he move umuntu olwa nabantu, yabo akusumuntu ongakuniki movement of the ball and stuff with that dramatic opponent test. Akekho umuntu ohlakaniphe ngale ndlela ukuthi abe nehlakaniphe abe nesibindi, arani behind defense okanye thathe responsibility. Ngaphandle kwakho Khamaldin ukuthi abe ne spectacular goal okanye bamphasa kube igoal. So ngululeko phambili. Iswalo school line problem. Kule game mina going to Cape Town City Eric kunento engiyibone ngo-Eric ibody language yala ma player. That's what I love about Eric Tinkler. Even if they draw ngali game S2. Yokuqala ngiyibonile going S2 noma they lost but the body language they missed chances there. Sharp being a good game wow yabo but you can see what he's trying to do. His structure set up screen kuleko. There's no gap between midfield defense and the midfield and striker is not far. And up front, ulo let down finishing Eric. Yabo. So net as ngisho phambi decision making uletwa you down. But in terms of the defense and the midfield, I'm happy. Up front, they must be clinical. Ichimi yake is more so ibona kulogin. Ngabona ngale game ngikhaya nozoyina. Cause ngibonile into ichimi yake is more balance, experience players. Idlala ngama experienced players. Akusabantu abadala experienced players. So clever as well. Just that they need to be composed phambi kwebhali bamnikele into ayifuna yeah izoyina mina Cape Town City le game it's always I don't see them scoring yeah I don't see them scoring they can defend well until when.
Right, there you go. That's his prediction. Swallows Football Club against the Cape Town City. Obviously, there's second legs as well to keep in mind. So whatever we see tomorrow and Sunday, these coaches would know which there's value in an away goal. There is value in being maybe tactical and not open and stuff like that. We'll see that tomorrow and Sunday as well. So the MTN8 semi-final, those are the 2 matches that are playing. And then subsequent to that, we'll go to the international break. We'll play Bafana Bafana on Friday, and then the other Monday, it will be Bafana Bafana again against Ghana, on Friday against Zimbabwe. So it's an interesting 2 weeks for everyone in terms of football. Enjoy the matches. World Sports Betting has so much on offer. There's boxing, there's Formula 1, there's the cricket that's currently playing now with India against England as well. You can put your money there if you think this player will be the highest run scorer or highest wicket taker. So many different things that you can put your money on. There's a Paralympics as well if you are well versed in that. Tomorrow, rugby, New Zealand is taking on Australia in the rugby championship at 12 South African time. So you can put your money on that too. World Sports Betting.co.za. We're also obviously on Facebook, 180,000 followers now, and of course on YouTube as well. Thank you so much for watching us.